In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product images on Squarespace. If you want your online store to look more professional and appealing, adding clear product images is one of the most important things you can do. Product photos help customers understand what you're selling, and they can make your listings look much more polished and trustworthy. The good news is that in Squarespace, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and go to your dashboard. From there, look for the section called Products and Services, then click on Products. This will take you to the area where all of your store items are listed. If you have several products, take a moment to find the exact one you want to update. Once you're on your product list, click on the product you want to add an image to. This will open the product editor, where you can make changes to that specific item. This is the same place where you would normally update things like the title, description, pricing, or other product details. So make sure you're editing the correct product before moving on. Next, go to the Images section. This is where Squarespace lets you manage the visuals connected to that product. In the Images area, click the plus icon to upload a new image. When you do this, a file selection window will appear, allowing you to browse your computer and choose the image you want to use. Now simply select your image and upload it. Once the upload finishes, the image will be attached to your product. At that point, your product will now have a visual customers can see when browsing your store. If the image doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment to finish loading. A quick tip here is to use a clean, high-quality image that clearly shows the product. That can make a big difference in how your store looks overall. It's also a good idea to check that the image is the right one before leaving the page, especially if you manage multiple similar products. And that's it. That's how to add product images on Squarespace. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Open your products, choose the item you want to edit, go to the Images section, click the plus icon, and upload your file. Once you've done it once, repeating the process for other products becomes very easy.